So let's start with the normal type of Fourier series examples. So what is the sequence to solve this type of examples? First, identify the interval. Second, write formula. Third, find a0, an, bn, and finally substitute these values in the Fourier series formula. Let's start with the first example where f of x is given as x square and the interval is given as 0 to 2 pi. So the first thing we have to see that what the interval looks like. Does it looks like pi or it looks like an L? So in this the interval looks like a pi and the interval is given as 0 to 2 pi. Therefore f of x for interval pi is given as a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bracket an cos plus bn sin, and the angle for pi is nx. So first we have to find a0, that is 1 by pi integration f of x dx. F of x is given as x square. So this is of the type x raised to n, and integration of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Therefore we get x raised to 3 by 3 and the limits, that is 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, and here 0 to 2 pi. Solving this we get 8 pi square by 3. So now finding an. An is given as 1 by pi integration f of x cos nx dx. F of x is x square cos nx dx, and this thing same. Now this is of the type u into v. So integration of u into v is given as, keeping first term, that is u as it is, and integration of v. Second step further, derivative of u and integration of v. After doing this we get divided by n, which is the extra part in the angle. And the limits 0 to 2 pi, and the signs in these are plus, minus, and plus. On solving further we get we eliminated the sine terms as sine of n pi is always 0 and sine 0 is also 0. Therefore, we get this thing. Now solving this, we get so how to put limits in this. This 2 is also constant, so we can take this outside. So give curly brackets, make 2 brackets. This is upper limit minus lower limit. So we get by putting limits we get 2 pi cos n 2 pi, and here we get 0. So after this we get 2 by n square pi, and cos 2n pi is minus 1 raised to 2n, which is 1. Therefore, so by solving this, we get final answer as 4 by n square. So after this, we have to find Bn. Bn is given by 1 by pi integration f of x sine nx dx. So even in this, the steps are exactly the same which we used for finding an, and the type of integration is also the same, that is u and v. So we can solve it further. So by solving this by the same steps, we get the answer for Bn as minus 4 pi n. So after solving, we got values as a0 is equals to 8 pi square by 3, an equal to 4 by n square, and Bn equal to minus 4 pi by n. So we have to put these values in the basic structure of the Fourier series as showed at the starting of this example, and that's the final answer. Second type is half-range Fourier series. The difference is that the limit given in this will be for half range and the limit will be called as half limit. For example, f of x is given as x and the limit is 0 to pi. So this limit is half limit. So first step, make half limit as full limit. That is, this is our given half limit and we make it full limit. So we get full limit as minus pi to pi, which is equal to 2 times 0 to pi. So now we know how to make the half limits as full limits. Now finding a0, we know that a0 is 1 by pi integration f of x dx. So now after finding the full limits, we know that it is 2 times of the half limits. So while writing, we will first write the full limits. And after that, we will write the half limits. That is and now from here the steps are same as we have seen earlier, and also same for finding an and bn.